An effective morning routine is like setting the stage for a successful day. So, how can one kickstart their day right? It could be as simple as making the bed, a quick workout, or even just a healthy breakfast. Each of these activities forms a part of a productive morning routine. The objective here is to infuse the morning with positivity and energy, setting a tone for the entire day. With the rise in remote working, there's a growing need for productivity hacks tailored for this environment. Tips such as setting a dedicated workspace, maintaining regular work hours, and using technology for effective communication are just a few ways to ensure productivity while working from home. Time blocking is a simple technique where one schedules specific time slots for different tasks throughout the day. This way, every task gets undivided attention and the day is organized for success. Time blocking can be a game changer for those struggling with time management. Incorporating mindfulness exercises into the daily routine can help reduce stress, improve focus, and ultimately boost productivity. From simple breathing exercises to meditation, these practices can be seamlessly woven into the daily routine. In the digital age, productivity apps and tools are invaluable. These tools help keep track of tasks, manage time, and even offer reminders for breaks. They can be customized to individual needs, making them a versatile addition to any productivity arsenal. A clutter-free workspace is another productivity enhancer. Organizing the workspace, keeping it clean and inspirational, can significantly boost focus and efficiency. Just as a morning routine sets the tone for the day, an evening routine can ensure a restful night and a productive tomorrow. This could entail winding down activities, reflection, and preparation for the next day. The Pomodoro Technique involves working for a set amount of time, usually 25 minutes, then taking a short break. This cycle repeats throughout the day, helping maintain focus and productivity. Regular exercise, a nutritious diet, and quality sleep are cornerstones of a healthy, productive life. Increasing productivity is not about doing more, but about doing things more efficiently. By incorporating these tips into daily routines, it's possible to boost productivity, achieve goals, and still have time for relaxation and personal growth. Each tip is a step towards a more productive lifestyle. So why wait? Start today and see the difference tomorrow. Before wrapping up this video, I'd like to invite you all to connect with me on the Viral page. It's a platform where I share more productivity hacks, daily routines, and lifestyle choices that can help you lead a more efficient and fulfilling life. If you found this video helpful, there's a lot more where this came from. So don't hesitate to hit that follow button on the Viral page to stay updated on all my latest content. Remember, productivity is a journey, not a destination. So let's embark on this journey together and make every day count. Stay tuned and keep striving for a better, more productive you. Until next time, keep it productive.